Got a messy spreadsheet driving you crazy? Rows everywhere, duplicates, inconsistent formats, the works? Hello! Today I'm gonna show you how to make data that looks like this and turn it into something clean, organized, and ready to use in just minutes using ChatGPT. Here's the workflow I use. First, paste a sample of your messy data into ChatGPT. Example, here's my data. It has inconsistent date format, some duplicates and names written in different cases. And I'll ask ChatGPT to clean it up. First of all, I'll paste my data into ChatGPT and then write a prompt like this. I ask to analyze the data set, remove duplicates, standardize date formats to this format, capitalize the first letter, and remove blank rows or cells. And I'll ask to output the clean data set in a table format. Let's see. Usually it takes some time to analyze the data. And also we remember that the more specific the prompt, the better. Also, after analyzing the data, you can go beyond cleaning and ask ChatGPT to split first and last names into separate columns, or you can categorize the text or merge similar entries with typos in a single value. Here's what ChatGPT has done to my messy data. It removed all duplicates, standardized the dates. Also, the names are capitalized and blank rows and cells deleted. If you want to go beyond cleaning, you can ask ChatGPT to do extra tasks. For example, in this prompt, I ask ChatGPT to group together entries in the column company that are spelling variations of the same company name. Also, it takes some time to analyze the data. And then I will ask ChatGPT to give me the clean dataset in a CSV format. So here what ChatGPT has done, it has grouped spelling variations of the company names. And then I will ask ChatGPT to give me clean data in a CSV format. So I can paste it into Excel. Let's see. It will give you perfectly formatted data. You can just copy paste into a clean sheet. So if you don't want to paste data every time, you can have ChatGPT create formulas or scripts, so Excel does it for you automatically. For example, write an Excel formula to standardize phone numbers to a special format, or write a VBA macro to remove duplicates and sort by date. As an example, we can ask to standardize phone numbers into this format. And with this, we can reuse the automation whenever new messy data comes in. So, that's how you go from messy, frustrating spreadsheets to clean, professional sheets in just minutes with ChatGPT. The best part, you don't have to be a data expert, just know what you want and tell ChatGPT in clear steps. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more artificial intelligence plus Excel tips and let me know in the comments what kind of messy data you want me to clean next. I might even feature your dataset in the next video.